Hey, hold on, what you doing?
I married this man and he's sitting there with fucking panties and shit in his goddamn.
What is you talking about? Nisha, hold on, babe. Oh, stop, Nisha, stop.
Drink, smoke, that's all I wanna do. Wanna get lit with you, let's drink, smoke, that's all we gotta do. I wanna be 2-1, 2-1, 2-1. I wanna be 2-1, 2-1, 2-1.
Yo, what's goody? This your boy Chris So Fly. I'm back with another video, y'all. And today, y'all, I'm about to be pranking my girl because she had got me like last week on this TikTok challenge, that purse thingy that hit you, you know what I mean, when she, you know. Oh,
sorry.
Damn, baby. You alright? That big ass pocketbook. She got me good. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna get in the back with a prank today, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some panties, some sexy, exotic kind of panties. I'm gonna try to go find some of those and put it in the car and tell her to go to the car and see what happens, you know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. I'm about to go pick up these panties. Peace.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, I'm in Family Dollar or something. Some party. Get something like that, you feel me? So I'm gonna grab these. That ain't her size either. Alright, peace. What's good, y'all? Alright, y'all. I got the panties. I think I did good. I don't know why I'm whispering. I'm scared as hell. Yeah, y'all should have done it yet.
Got a cook for her, I gotta feed my husband.
I thought you were going to get your
Yeah, I seen some on Amazon, like little shorts come down here.
Where you gonna get short? I can get shorts.
Yeah, you can get shorts. Shorts would be cute on you.
I don't want to wear short though. No. Sean can wear short.
Cause hey, I'm gonna turn.
Bruh.
Be right back.
How good. Who you calling, babe?
What are you going to call right back?
Mom.
Babe. What do you mean? They're yours.
Cause I do not wear size large panties and I don't even buy ugly.
What is you doing? Babe, hold on, what you
I
doing?
married this man and he's sitting there with fucking panties and shit in his goddamn.
What is you talking about? Nisha, hold on, babe. Oh, stop, Nisha, stop. Stop, babe, stop.
You know what?
It's a joke, man. It's a prank.
I figured it was. Somebody was a prank. He just tried to get me back when I saw him right
Crazy, y'all. I got her ass. I got her, y'all. Yeah. See, I'm gonna try to kill me, bro. See, I'm gonna try to kill him with this. Y'all see how this in her hand.
When I get you back, ain't nobody gonna know it but one person. I'm gonna get you back. Best believe that. Oh yeah. Feel my hands. They shaking. Mom.
That's what you get from this.
But you when you went to that screen with it.
Yeah. Go ahead, go to the store, man.
Well, you little stinking panties.
Yeah, crazy. He crazy.